You are going to love the 2017 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.